In our family, we celebrate all of December as Advent. One of the biggest jobs as a mom with a bunch of kids in my house, it's not doing all of the extra festive things, which we do a lot of that. It's not just baking extra things. It's not just those really special activities, but it's actually the work of connecting every joy that we have in this life to the fact that we have a Savior who came in flesh, became a man, and dwelt among us. So instead of thinking, oh, in order to celebrate Christmas well, I really have to be a master pastry chef. Not really. Like, to celebrate it well, you have to be able to say frozen pizzas. Why? Because Jesus came. Like, it's Christmas. And to be so full of that joy that you communicate that in all the little details. So we have always done a thing like every day of December is a different Advent surprise. We do this with all different levels of success. So if I try to just buy things, anything like snowflake-shaped Ritz crackers, I buy at the grocery store leading up to December. I buy all this stuff so I'm ready for surprises. This is what we use right now. I knit all of these mittens. Look, I'll show you. This doesn't go in the kitchen. It's just in the kitchen right now. So every day there's a clue in one of the mittens, and it might be for like a tray of mugs and eggnog that I hid in the sheet closet or something that the kids find. When they were littler, we did a different Advent thing, and I made all these cards that they could pull out. So like we're baking cookies, or we're setting a pretty table today. I think these are, I don't know if this is like card making supplies, but all of these I bought already. Having cocoa. We do just lots of little surprises like that. So all of December, we're just looking forward to the one big celebration on Christmas. I do think my biggest tip is to wait until right before they open the clue to decide what you're doing. You always want to have it in your back pocket that you can just say, the surprise is that we're having frozen pizza for dinner. Yay! You want to have that capacity.